Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science School. Today we will discuss about pivot table, an important tool from Pandas library. Pivot table helps us to analyze data more specifically, and we can get information in different pattern from the data science, from dataset by using pivot table. So first of all, we need to import pandas, and we will use Titanic dataset for this video. So here you can see the whole dataset from the Titanic. So it is really tough to analyze this dataset. So we need to get different information about different column and different rows so that we can get the hidden messages from the datasets. So pivot table help us to do that. For creating the pivot table, we need values and column. This command will create the pivot table where we want to see ticket fare against sex. So here you can see the table where we get the information that average ticket fare for female was $44 and for male $25. So if we want to add more column with female and male, we can add in columns, like we want to add passenger class. So this will show us a new pivot table where you can see passenger class in the column section and sex in the index section, where for passenger class 1 and female the average ticket fare was $106, where for passenger class 3 male $12. So if you want to see total amount of ticket fare instead of average ticket fare, we need to add AggFunc sum. So sum will show us the total amount of ticket fare. So if we run the command, here you can see for passenger class 1 female, the total amount of ticket fare was $9,975, where for passenger class 3 male $4,393. If you want to see more in the AggFunc, for example, the number of female and total ticket fare, you need to add len in the AggFunc list. This will show us a new pivot table where you can see the total $9,975 for 94 female and total $4,393 ticket fare for 347 male. So these are the information can help us for the further analysis. Now here you can see the default mean is absent here. So if you want to add mean also, you need to add in the AggFunc list, that is mean, then you will get the mean in the pivot table. Here you can see the mean ticket fare. If you want to see survival rate instead of ticket fare, you need to add survived instead of fare in values, and you can run the command and you can see here we have the survived information instead of ticket fare, and here we can see for P class 1 female 91 survived out of 94, and for passenger class 3 male 47 survived out of 347. So you can see this is not possible in the whole dataset. What actually helping pivot table actually helping us to get this information, extracting this information. And finally, if you want to see two different information, like not only sex, also from where they embarked, so you need to add embarked in columns list. If you run the command, you will see that two different information are included in the pivot table, like for passenger class 1 female, those who embarked from C survived 42 out of 43. It's a high percentage of female survived, almost 99% who embarked from C In case of male, those who embarked from S survived very few, because out of 265 it is 34. So these are the helpful knowledge I could share with you about the pivot table. So give me your feedback about that and wait for the next video. Thank you so much.